Waikiki Beach looks exactly like how you would imagine Hawaii to be. On the beach, you can rent surfboards and try out surfing for a few hours. Waikiki is actually perfect for learning how to surf, since the water is pretty shallow for what feels like ages. You look out into the water, and surfers are everywhere trying to catch the perfect wave. The neighborhood is incredibly walkable, with stores, hotels, and shops dotting the entire road. Pick a direction to walk, and I guarantee you'll stumble upon the classic ABC convenience stores filled with everything from snacks to souvenirs and even Spam musubi. Major bonus is that Waikiki is under 30 minutes from the hotel, making it convenient to get to. Thanks to warm, shallow, and relatively calm waters, there's no better place to take your first surf lesson. Sign up for a lesson at one of the Star Beach Boys stands, located on the sand in front of the statue of Duke Kahanamoku. This Hawaiian hero is considered the father of modern surfing. Or try one of the local surf schools, like Big Wave Dave and Surfer Girl Academy. While on Oahu, visit the Pearl Harbor historic sites, including the USS Arizona Memorial. With its airport transportation, on-site pool, and free breakfast, Hyatt Place Waikiki Beach could not be more convenient. Further inland, the Oasis Hotel offers boutique vibes. For the more adventurous traveler, Waikiki offers a range of exciting outdoor activities, including surfing, paddleboarding, and parasailing. With its gentle waves and warm waters, Waikiki is the perfect place for beginners to learn how to surf, while experienced surfers will find plenty of challenging breaks to test their skills. Waikiki, Hawaii, is a destination like no other, offering visitors the perfect blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and recreational opportunities. Whether you're seeking relaxation on the beach, adventure in the great outdoors, or a taste of Hawaiian hospitality, Waikiki has something for everyone. So why wait? Start planning your dream getaway to Waikiki today and discover the magic of this tropical paradise for yourself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.